Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get Mexican icon player Dia de Muertos player Hugo Sanchez in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from it. And let's get started by tap the club button and tap the exchange, and as you can see there are some options here. Tap this one, Dia de Muertos, and this one, Hugo Sanchez. He is a striker from Mexico. He is legendary or the iconic player. Dia de Muertos icon player, he is part of it. With work rate attacking high and work rate defense is medium, and this is the trait very useful in manager mode, especially failure, power header, and powerful driven free kick. He is a playmaker also. Let's get back. You can get Hugo Sanchez tap with 175 Sempasuchil. This one, you can get this Sempasuchil from the event or from the store. And also you have to exchange with best Hugo Sanchez icon player. So if you have best Hugo Sanchez, you can trade or you can exchange with this Dia de Muertos. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.